What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're giving you guys an update on a company that we recently introduced to you guys, and that company is called SPYR Technologies. Now, SPYR Technologies makes solutions for smart homes and connected car markets. So it's a very interesting technological niche, obviously very important, and lots of potential in that industry, guys. So I'm excited to be giving you guys an update. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you the update. Also, don't forget to leave us a like and drop us a comment if you do appreciate these types of videos. Let me know your thoughts on the company, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you do want to follow along. So now I simply want to talk about the company and give you guys a quick little update when it comes to the stock price. So the stock is traded on the OTC markets under ticker symbol SPYR. Currently trading for 3.5 cents at the time of recording. Now, we did introduce this company to you guys just 3 weeks ago. I believe the stock was trading in the 2 cent level, and we did see highs of over 6 cents. So, with a small cap company like this, a company worth at current levels just $8.8 million, there obviously is lots of opportunity for investors and traders. Now, these investments are very risky, obviously, anything in the small cap space, but there has been lots of volatility, and anyone who was looking at the stock around $2 and potentially could have taken profit around 6, you guys can do the math. So I do want to highlight the first video, the full introduction that we did drop on the channel 3 weeks ago. So I also wanted to mention that. Now let's jump to their website real quick. You can find all the most recent news when it comes to the company, and that is SPYR.com. So I simply want to just introduce the company quickly and then talk about the news. So Spire Technologies is a technology company that, through its wholly owned subsidiary Applied Magic Incorporated, operates in the Internet of Things market. So as we know, this is a really big market. The Internet of Things market develops. So the company develops and resells Apple ecosystem compatible products with an emphasis on the growing multi-billion-dollar smart home market. Spire continues to identify and target acquisitions that will grow its footprint in the industry and expand the product it offers consumers, including companies developing artificial intelligence and smart technology products. So as we know, artificial intelligence is a thing of the future, and it's becoming more and more important in this day and age. So let's quickly jump to the investor tab. Now, in the investor relations tab, you can find a lot of information, the overview on the company, presentation. There's a presentation when it comes to their technology. We'll talk a little bit about that, but I wanted to quickly highlight their 2 most recent press releases. Spire Technologies Applied Magic introduces limited time special pricing and expands airing schedule of its successful Magic Drive commercial. So as we know, guys, one way of targeting the consumer market is through commercials. They introduced a limited time special pricing of $99.99 for Magic Drive standalone and expands the airing schedule of its Magic Drive national commercial. The new set of airings will greatly extend the reach and visibility of Magic Drive, the company's flagship wireless CarPlay device, and the first branded product from Spire Technologies' wholly owned subsidiary, Applied Magic. So let's hear some words from their CEO. It was very satisfying to see the public respond positively to our first commercials, but we felt we could do more to bring Magic Drive to more of our customers. So we decided to go with less cost with an exclusive limited special pricing offer. Said their CEO, Harold Zink, we were quite pleased with the results from the first wave of our commercials broadcast, and with our new limited time discount, we hope to bring Magic Drive as a standalone product into many more cars across the nation. Now let's talk about Spire and their plans as they announce expansion plans in 2022. So what is the company doing to expand? So it recently announced its acquisition and expansion plans for 2022 during fiscal year end 2021, and to date, the company has been quietly exploring possible acquisitions that may strengthen the company's balance sheet and return value to its shareholders. The company has been in preliminary discussions with 2 companies targeted for possible acquisition this year. One company is a well-positioned industrial lighting developer whose business is focused on the marketing and sale of its proprietary lighting technologies, which are widely adopted as the industry standard in the transportation and industrial lighting spaces. The target company has a good track record of revenues and would be a strong fit for the company. The company expects to execute a non-binding letter of intent soon that will include a standstill clause, providing the company with the security and time it needs to complete its due diligence on the acquisition. The second target controls a proprietary web-based software platform and complementary hardware used for high-value asset tracking in the construction, agriculture, asset management, police, defense, energy, and cold chain industries. The company believes this acquisition fits well into its Internet of Things division and expects its business to extend the company's holdings positively. Commenting on the company's plans, CEO Tim Mantula pointed out that his goal is to position the company with valuable holdings that contribute to shareholder value. Over the last year, we have been actively exploring expansion of the holding company for the benefit of our shareholders, and I believe these two opportunities are very attractive and will, assuming we complete the acquisitions, contribute to the overall business development and profitability of the company for the benefit of our shareholders. So guys, that's very interesting. The company is planning to expand. They've also got that, commercial that they're extending their coverage, and they've got a special price right now. So the company's making efforts across all fronts. And I also quickly wanted to just talk once again about what the company actually does. So SPYR Technologies, car solutions for smart homes and connected car markets. So here we have Apple HomeKit. As we know, smart homes are becoming more and more exciting also, and just we're seeing a lot more people implement this into their homes, some form of smart home technology. What is the problem? So Apple consumers, the most affluent and loyal customers of tech products, have very few smart devices that integrate with Apple's smart home and home app kit and others. The solution creates smart hardware and software solutions exclusively for Apple customers. So that is essentially what the company is doing. They've got their offerings here. Feel free to check out this investor presentation. But what I wanted to highlight in this video was what the company's doing, the progress, some information on the stock and how it's performed, and just a general update. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to keep your eyes on SPYR Technologies. I'm excited to continue covering them. We'll see how they do, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into Departures Capital. I always appreciate your support, and we'll see you in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.